1977 Chevy C20 long bed, $3,500, Central Reno, Nevada. This 1977 Chevrolet C20 long bed pickup is a well-preserved example of the classic square-body truck design. Featuring all original red paint with no rust or dents, it embodies the rugged durability that Chevy trucks from this era are known for. Powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive workhorse has just 68,821 miles on the odometer. The buckskin interior adds a classic touch, and the gooseneck hitch increases its utility. A clean title completes the package, making it an excellent candidate for a reliable vintage truck enthusiast. Part 2, 1973 Ford F100 4x4, $3,500, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1973 Ford F100 4x4 offers a great opportunity for a restoration project. Equipped with a robust 360 V8 engine and a C6 automatic transmission, it also features a 205 transfer case and a 9-inch rear locker with 3.50 gears, which were top-tier options for off-roading in its time. Though currently not drivable, the motor runs well off an auxiliary fuel tank. The truck shows its age with some dents and dings, but remains a solid foundation for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic 4x4. A clean title adds to its appeal. #3, 1973 Dodge D100. $2,800, Gray Court, South Carolina. This 1973 Dodge D100 step-side pickup is a promising project truck. Powered by a 318 V8 engine, mated to a 727 automatic transmission, the vehicle was last run using an external fuel supply. The seller is open to trades, adding flexibility to the deal. With a clean title in hand and delivery options available, this truck could become a custom powerhouse or restored classic. Additionally, an optional 360 engine with a matching transmission is available for an upgrade. #4, 1979 Ford F150 4x4, $3,500, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1979 Ford F150 4x4 presents a project opportunity for vintage truck enthusiasts. Featuring a 351M engine and an automatic transmission, this original Arizona truck boasts a clean title. While the motor is not currently running, it does turn, indicating potential for restoration. The solid frame and drivetrain make it a great candidate for off-road adventures or a period-correct restoration. #5, 1977 Chevrolet K1500 square body 4x4, $3,200, Glorieta, New Mexico. This 1977 Chevrolet K1500 is a classic square body truck built for rugged use. Equipped with a manual transmission, it runs strong and delivers plenty of power, making it a suitable choice for enthusiasts seeking a dependable work truck or an off-road companion. Its clean title and solid mechanical condition provide a good foundation for a restoration or customization project. #6, 1970 Chevy C10 pickup, $6,000, Horseheads, New York. This 1970 Chevrolet C10 is a classic half-ton pickup with vintage charm. Powered by a 250 cubic inch straight-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it retains its column shift configuration. The green exterior is in good condition, while the interior needs some attention. With just 65,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs exceptionally well, offering an excellent starting point for someone looking to own a piece of American automotive history. 7. 1976 Chevrolet Square Body 2500, $6,500, Fawcett, Missouri. This 1976 Chevrolet 2500 Square Body stands out with extensive mechanical and cosmetic updates. Under the hood, the top end has been rebuilt, and new components include the windshield, floor pans, rocker panels, battery, exhaust system, and more. Its 4x4 system works flawlessly, and the heat functions well, making it ready for year-round use. While the odometer reads 58,506 miles, it is noted as broken. The truck's clean title and well-maintained condition make it a worthwhile investment. Chashar 8, 1978 Chevrolet Silverado Camper Special, $7,000, Algona, Washington. Designed for heavy-duty use, this 1978 Chevrolet Silverado Camper Special is equipped with a 454 V8 engine, dual exhaust, and a corporate rear end. It features camper stabilizer provisions and a fifth-wheel setup, making it perfect for towing. While the body shows some wear, including holes in the bed sides, it remains a solid candidate for restoration. A clean title adds peace of mind for potential buyers. Chashar 9, 1968 GMC C20 Camper Special, $4,000, Grangeville, Idaho. This 1968 GMC C20 Camper Special is a rare find, powered by a 351 cubic inch V6 engine with working air conditioning. It includes power steering, power brakes, and various new components, such as door seals and a dash pad. The truck's structural integrity has been enhanced with replacement floor pans, rockers, and cab corners. With a clean title, it's an ideal first truck or a classic project vehicle. Chashar 10, 1968 Chevrolet C10 Long Bed, $7,500, Elma, Washington. This 1968 Chevrolet C10 combines vintage aesthetics with practical functionality. Fitted with an aftermarket 350 engine, it has an Edelbrock carburetor, new brakes, and a retro Bluetooth stereo. Despite its wear, such as dents and a leaking transmission pan, it runs well and serves as a reliable utility vehicle. This truck is ready for a new owner, willing to address its minor issues. Chashar 11, 1968 Ford F250, $4,500, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1968 Ford F250 is a reliable classic, fitted with a 302 V8 engine and an automatic transmission sourced from a Mustang. While it requires brake work, the truck runs great and has a clean title. Its classic design and robust build make it a promising project or a dependable utility vehicle for enthusiasts. $12, 1959 Chevrolet Apache, $6,500, Lodi, California. The 1959 Chevrolet Apache is a highly sought-after classic with a distinctive small window short bed design. This example features a straight 6 engine with a brand new Pertronix ignition system, fuel tank, tires, and battery. While the title is missing, the seller has confirmed it's out of the system with no back fees. This truck is an excellent choice for restoration or a custom rat rod project.